Hello, kids! Today we want to draw a rabbit with each other. Do you like rabbits? They are so cute! Let's draw with me, kids! Don't forget to subscribe us! Now I want to draw a big carrot. Do you like to eat carrot? It's so healthy for you kids. Let's draw big ears for our rabbit. Let's coloring together, kids. Which color do you like for our rabbit? What about pink color? Do you like it? It's so beautiful, kids. Oh, look at the rabbit! It's so beautiful! Thank you for watching me. If you like our video, please subscribe us. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!